I just want to shoot, to take photos, to create. There's something about driving through the forest, pulling over and just wandering. Today I had a place in mind. Why I chose it, I still don't know. But as the title of this video suggests, it didn't go well. So if you're here for something epic, maybe skip this one. Okay, a big mistake coming here. I should have known better. It's school holidays and it's always a popular place, but it's packed. There's families and kids everywhere. When I say kids, I don't mean like a couple of kids with the families. I mean a coach load, literally, full of kids in Ivy's vests. The sun's harsh. Yeah, I hope you can hear me. So I'm sorted out what the best place for this mic is. Yeah, the sun's really harsh and I don't know. I'm trying to find photos in shadows. I've got one here. It's this reed with these leaves that are just sticking out from the bank, but I think I'm taking it for the sake of taking it. But I'm going to photograph this and then maybe have a bit of a wander and see what else I can find. There's a bridge here, but it's a road bridge, I think. So many people. Let's see. Here is the difference that a polarizer makes. Wow, what a difference. I've crossed the road from where I was, and because there's no rope swings and no bridges and no water, there's only one other person here photographing. You might be able to see him actually. It's over here somewhere, photographing dragonflies. He's got a really good one of a small red or little red or something it's called. But I'm not getting anything. I mean, I've put a couple of photos up as I've wandered around, but they're snapshots. So I may get in the car and see if I can stop somewhere else. We'll go for a quick drive. I'm not going to waste any more time here. And I'm just going to stop at any car park that I find rather than rehearse it. Let's just see if serendipity can do its thing for me today, because nothing else seems to be working. made it this far, congratulations, and maybe I'm sorry. Sorry for the missteps, sorry if the images didn't land, but truthfully, I'm not sorry. Not sorry for showing up, not sorry for chasing the light through the trees, not sorry for trying, because sometimes the effort matters more than the outcome. Until next time.